It's Design with Veronica Sanders here, and I'm Veronica, your exclusive destination for bespoke interior design. I am here in the Lake and Garden District in Dallas at my client's home, and I want to take you on a tour of this mid-century boho home. Follow me. Welcome in. As you can see, we have taken quite a few steps with this home. We've added tons and tons of color based off of some art that we are using as inspiration here. But most importantly, we're using his artwork. Our client has a love of alternative rock bands. And so these are some posters that he's collected over the years. We decided to frame these and really make them a focal point, not only in this dining room, but all around the home. Here, we decided to do something a little bit different. Instead of taking regular dining chairs to be at the head of the table, we chose outdoor dining chairs. Why? Because they're just as comfortable as regular dining chairs. We've added a little bit of fluff, and you got beautiful style. Now, man, don't be afraid of pink, because this guy is. Look at these beautiful stools here. The texture and the detail of that. Isn't that gorgeous? He's gonna love it. Welcome to the living room. We're just adding a little bit of pizzazz in this space. Look at these pillows. They've got a little bit of a mid-century modern feel, but it's more updated to today. And we've got this super comfortable sectional. You should have seen the one that was here before. We've updated it and we've given him a little bit of more of a grown man vibe in this gorgeous mid-century modern boho style home. Don't you just love all of the natural wood beams? A little bit of hint of black, not only in the chairs, but also in the fireplace, the accessories, even the front door, and the outdoor and the windows. I mean, come on. This home just speaks to his sophisticated style. And we wanted to make sure that we brought that up with all of his artwork and these beautiful pops of blues and the warmth of the oranges and yellows. Now follow me upstairs. Welcome to the master bedroom. Detail is super important to me as an interior designer, and we wanted to make sure that we showcase that in as many places as possible. One being this gorgeous dresser. Look at this fluted design and these leather handles with the brass detail. Isn't that gorgeous? Plants are a staple in this home. We have a green thumb that really loves bringing in the outdoors into this space. And then we also have this gorgeous bed from Lulu in Georgia. Can you say cognac velvet? really loving in this space is this stone inlaid black side table. We added some natural touches with the mirror, bringing in more of those wood tones, but also adding those pops of blue and the oranges to really bring that color all the way home.
I hope you're loving this boho minimalist rocker pad just as much as we do.
Thanks for watching.